Hello everybody. So today I am going to be harvesting the spearmint because it's extremely tall now and it's blocking the light from the time that I usually have behind it, if you've seen my videos. So we're just gonna kind of chop it down a little bit and yeah, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna make sure you have your scissors if you're doing this. So I want to leave, you see this? I want to leave quite a bit, I guess a little bit on here. So I'm not gonna cut it all the way down. So that's just what I'm doing, and so I will speed this up so we can get through the rest, and then I'll show you some neat little tricks that you can do with these ones. So one thing I did want to pop in here and say is that according to when you're harvesting basil, you're supposed to cut it where two leaves right here. So there's two right here. I would have like cut it off right here so that way it allows it to grow. Alright, so this is my spearmint plant now. So this is all that I've cut off so far. So what I'm going to do for the longer pieces, I'm going to take them and tie them together in the middle, and then I'm going to hang them up in the house, and that way they can dry out so I can use them for tea. And then for the smaller pieces like this one, excuse me, I'm going to take and go ahead and propagate it. So I'll pick these out and then I will meet you back when I have my stuff all set up. Alright, so here's what I've done. Split it up into two different categories. And here's all my shorter stems, and here are all the ones that I'm just going to tie up like this and then hang. I've got a spot in the window that I like to hang them, and it just kind of adds some color to the kitchen, but it also smells really nice and then dries them over like a period of time. So I'm going to set those aside. So you want to have your glass jar, and we'll start with this one. So what you're going to do is take off all these leaves until you get up to about this part. So we're going to take all of these ones off. All the way down to the bottom. You can see that? Yeah. So then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in your jar. So I'm going to do that with all of these, and then I'll come back in just a second. Alright, so what you'll see here is the spearmint leaves that I cut off. So I filled it up with water a little bit. Some of them are kind of under there, but that didn't seem to be a problem last time. And then I just set it in the windowsill for about 7 days. And let the roots grow. And then you can plant them in some dirt, and that way you can share the love of plants with other people. I've got Spearmint, this up here is where I usually hang my herbs. Sorry, I'm just playing with the lighting here. And that way they're out of the way, but it'll give it a couple weeks for it to dry out. And that way I can make it into teas, lotions, you name it, since it's an herb. There's plenty of other uses for it, but we'll go into that in another video. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching.